Okay. Intuition is self-care. Trusting your intuition is self-care. Okay, and all the spiritual gifts we have, intuition and all the spiritual gifts that we have are evidence of what Christians would call that we are one. One body. So I had a friend who used to be able to, who's able to hear your thoughts. So it's really hard to be her friend sometimes because while you're having a conversation, when I was having a conversation with her, I was trying to control my thought. And everybody knows when you try to control your thought, the more you can't control it, the more it's ramping. So I'll be talking to her and try to act normal while I'm thinking all these things. So I was like, Bishop! Oh!